Hey friends, welcome back to Chime Faith. This is Laura, and today I am showing you the planner companion accessories for the Happy Planner. It's in the classic size. It's the Faith edition. I'm super excited about this. I picked up the Wellness edition, the Wellness edition and the Faith edition, and they are both just beautiful. So it comes with this cute little Be Happy bracelet, and it says, wear this bracelet as a reminder of your faith and your journey with God. And I thought that was super cute. It has a cute little heart on it. So yeah. Okay. So these are super cool, I think. I like how they set these up a lot. They come with this storage folder is what they call it. And this is a beautiful kind of minty, I guess maybe minty green. I don't know. It says, it is well with my soul. And it says, it is well with my soul. But I like that it has the folders. That way I don't have to put it all in my planner at once. I can break it up and put it in there when I need more space. So this one comes with quite a few different things than like the Wellness planner did. But I'm digging it. I love that it comes with the sticky note pads on its own separate thing. And let me see if I can get these apart. Maybe. There we go. These are really cute. That blue is not really showing up, but it's kind of a light blue. I feel like it's a little bright. And then some butterflies and then the peach. These are half sheets. I believe there's 10 of them. Prayers and praise. It's front and back. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then it has the note paper, which just says journal at the top. And there's 20 pages of that. I'm going to have to take this all out at some point. Literally just opened it, so didn't even get it. Okay. I think their folders are really pretty too. Like they didn't spare in the details. And then on the other side is the Faith Share cards is what they're calling them. And these are, let's see, 16 of them. And I haven't opened them yet. I guess I could just, maybe I'll just open them. Sorry guys. The noise is probably getting loud for a second. Let's see if I can show you what they look like a little bit better. Okay, it says be strong and of good courage. I'm going to move these just so the reflection's not so intense for you. And then it has a verse on the back. And then my help cometh from the Lord. And I think these are awesome because they can be good for you, or they can be like maybe if you need to uplift a friend or a stranger and just hand them to them. I think that these are super cool. And so abound in hope, he is faithful that promised. Sorry. There we go. That's a little better. Whatsoever things are lovely. Renew their strength. And then there's 8 more that I'm not going to open right this second just because I don't want to drive you guys nuts with the packaging. And then this is cool. This is their art prints that they included, and there are 4 of these. So they have the front cover, It Is Well With My Soul, and they're just blank on the back. So you could like write notes to people or yourself on there. Sing unto the Lord a new song, all the earth, Psalm 96:1. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now is found, was blind, but now I see. And then 2, my heart to sing the grace. Come thou fount of every blessing. So those are really pretty, I think, and kind of cool. I'm not sure how I'm going to use them yet. But like I said, they could even be a great little note card to a friend or journal, something like that. And then the last thing, let's take it out of here, is the prompted journaling paper, and there are 70 of these. So it says scripture writing or reading, prayer, worship, scripture meditation, evangelism, serving, learning, stewardship of time and money, scripture application, fasting, silence, and solitude, journaling. So that's what the front looks like. And on the back, it says rejoicing in, opportunity to serve, blessed by, where my heart is, trusting God in, finding hope in, learning to be patient with, simple joy, I need extra help too, worship song I'm singing, asking God for courage too, seeing God's hand in, answered prayers, someone to encourage, and what I'm reading. And then at the very bottom, it says singing praises and gratitude. So these are really pretty. I think they're so dainty and really lovely. So yeah, and then I do love, I think I mentioned this in my other video that I did for the Wellness, that they put them in this folder. I think that that's just a great way to be able to store them. If I can get them back in original packaging. It's like trying to put a vacuum or something back in a box. Anyways, I really do like these. I'm excited to open the other one and see what's in them. And then I think that I like this also. I love the half sheets. I think they're super usable in your Happy Planner for so many things, but I love that these say prayer and praises on the top. So that is the planner companion accessory from the Big Happy Planner Faith Edition. I am so excited to have this. I will be using it and show you how I'm using it really soon. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one. Have a blessed day.